Okay, welcome. Today is the 1st of June 2020, 4 minutes past 3 local time, so I will have to go to bed at some point. Last week was really nice. I did some nice trade calls, such as a long dollar CAD one. Um, yeah, that was loads of fun. Let's see how this week will be. Tomorrow we have some bank holidays, so maybe it will be a slow Monday. And let's see what we get during the week. So I just thought I'd make this quick video because this shows you what the world's largest market is doing, the euro dollar. So what we saw during last week is we had dumb money shorties coming in trying to sell euro dollar, and therefore smart money pushed the price up. It took out the moving average stops, not only the 100-day moving average, but also the 200-day moving average and the high from March. And this is not surprising. So what's going on is similar to the stock market right now. They need to get rid of all the shorties on the money side, so they do an exaggerated move up in euro dollar as well as in stocks, by the way, to clean out the stops of the money shorties who try to enter the market early and with a tight stop. So they can't clean the big moving averages every week, as you can see, but they got the chance here, and since the dumb money kept on selling, they just went for the kill. You guys who have the MK live stream access, you saw that live last week, and some of you nicely traded the long euro dollar as well. Well done, very proud of you, fantastic. So yeah, now they took out the high and the stops there. Of course, if more shorties keep on selling euro dollar, it will go and take out the next ones. And then at some point, once the dumb money switches and shorties are kicked out and dumb money longies come in, it will come back down towards the range. And then we pay special attention, because if the dollar gets stronger and if economic data comes in which is bad for the US, then euro dollar could again move down, and this time go for the stops of anyone who is trying to buy a breakout. So we keep an eye on this. Very nice example of the dynamics in the market. So here you see combination of a position run and stop runs, and also, by the way, a meter level. So this, of course, dominated also the other markets. It pulled up cable as well last week, and yeah, so this will influence the world economies. We have a lot of turbulence going on at the moment. We have the big protests in the US about the incidents with the death of George Floyd. So around the US, in I think around 100 cities, there were protests which escalated. There was violence. Then, of course, we have the corona crisis still going on. And we have, of course, as I said before, economic data coming in. There's always a lag between the fundamental economy and financial markets. So we now have really bad economic data coming in from around the world. So this will, of course, impact the markets. Yeah, this year was pretty crazy in terms of events. I mean, first we had the conflict between the US and Iran, which was really dangerous, and thanks God nothing more escalated there. Then, of course, we had the whole corona crisis, which is still going on to date, the lockdown, the respective economic consequences, now the protests. Now we also look at potential tensions between China and the US. So many things are going on right now. So we need to be on top of things. There can be comments, there can be phishing moves, and so on and so on. We had the crazy moves in other markets such as oil, the negative oil price because of the squeeze in the futures. And we also saw like the metals breaking the highs, cryptos recovering somewhat. So yeah, there were some really interesting moves. And above all, Foreign exchange markets did what we expected them to do. So yeah, looking forward to this week. I wish everyone another great trading week on the live stream. Really proud of you guys and girls. Fantastic. Well done. I mean, I really love to watch how you do those trade calls and how you get better. And some of you have become really good. Congratulations. It's fantastic to see that others are learning and applying the market causality. That's really a dream. And it's a really nice group there. Thanks to everybody. It's really a lot of fun. I try to check the chat also on a regular basis there. I post my trade calls on the forum, as I said before. They can be seen there. I've done very well there, as you can check yourself. I've also recorded those live trading videos this week. Whenever I have time, I do that to explain why I do those trades and to make everyone learn, to help everyone improving. Thanks also a lot for the nice feedback I received. That's really nice. Okay, thank you for the testimonials and all that. That's really appreciated. So yeah, I'm excited about this month, this week. Let's see what we can do. It looks really interesting right now. These are historic times for the world. I think that's not an overstatement. A lot of things are going on. So let's kill those algos. Okay, let's show this AI what we can do. The buy side strikes back. Stay safe.